Well, I got your question in the email about Chapter 11, Section 1. This number 5. You're asking how do they find these critical values. You may want to go back and review Chapter 9 on confidence interval. I mean, you had to find critical values back in, and very similar. I guess they're calling it alpha here. Maybe you didn't use alpha, called an alpha. They called it like a 95% confidence interval. You know, so 95% confidence interval would be equivalent to alpha being 0.05. So easiest one way to do is go in Stat Crunch, click on Stat to normal calculate, calculators, and choose the normal calculator, and like on the confidence interval, it's 1 minus alpha, or in this case 1 minus 0.05. This area is 0.95. So you leave the mean and standard deviation alone, and just put 0.95 in for the area, and you click compute. And this z-score here is what you're after, which is the critical value, which is 1.96. Well, I guess they want -1 also. So I just use the normal calculator between and just 1 minus what that is. Yeah, they want both because it's a two-tailed test. Hope that helps.